Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zendesk for service strategy and ticket automation, full guide step by step clearly. Once on the home page, locate the pricing tab in the navigation menu. Click on the pricing tab to view the available plans. Review the different plans to identify which one best fits your service strategy needs. After selecting a plan, click the Start Free Trial button or the Buy Now option, depending on your preference. Next, you will be prompted to enter your email address to create your Zendesk account. Fill in the required fields, including your name and company details. Choose a secure password for your new account. Once you've completed the form, click the Sign Up or Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Zendesk. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. After verification, log in to your newly created Zendesk account. Follow the on-screen setup guide to configure your service strategy. This setup may include customizing your ticket automation settings. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Next, navigate to the admin panel on your account. From the admin panel, locate the Business Rules section. In this section, you can find options for ticket automation. Start by creating your first automation rule based on your workflow requirements. Define specific triggers and actions for ticket management. After completing your automation rules, save your settings. Test the automation by submitting a sample ticket to ensure it functions correctly. Finally, monitor and adjust the automation rules as necessary over time to optimize your service strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.